Dear student, this is class 7th, chapter number 6, exercise. I am solving here allied chemistry. First question, the ability of metal to produce a resonant sound, that is called sonority. Second question, a metal which floats on water. This is potassium here. Potassium is the lightest metal that can be float on water. A non-metal that leaves a mark on paper, that is graphite. Graphite grey color का होता है. I am using this graphite. This is of grey color and this leaves the mark on the paper. A non-metal which allow an electric current to pass through it. In these, sulfur and iodine are non-insulators for insulator for electricity, but graphite is a good conductor of electricity. ये पेंसिल के दोनों एंड को आप शार्प करके अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक वायर पर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट लगाओगे और दूसरे पे टेस्टर से चेक करोगे तो आपको मिलेगा कि कंडक्शन हो रहा है. Here are some give reasons. Metals form cations while non-metals form anion because metals lose electrons. That's why they are positively charged, and non-metals have tendency to gain electrons. They take electrons and form negative ions. That's why they are called anions. Next, potassium reacts vigorously with cold water, while copper. Potassium is on top in reactivity series, so it can easily react with cold water, vigorously react with cold water, and copper is in the below side of the reactivity series. Its reactivity is least, very less. That's why it cannot react with cold water or steam. Rusting reduces the structural strength of the iron. Student, as we know that rusting is the degradation of iron into iron pure metal to Fe2O3 dot H2O form होता है. This is the formula of rust. So in this iron metals natural decomposition has changed. That's why its structural formula has changed. A suspension of rust is in basic in nature. Student, this is the explanation here. This Fe2O3 dot X2O यानी oxides of iron is formed in the rusting of iron, and all the oxides of metals are basic in nature. If we will dissolve rust in water, that solution will also be basic in nature. Next, galvanization. Galvanized steel is not used for articles used for edible application because galvanized steel is not suitable for making the articles. Here are name of the following. The most reactive metal, this is fluorine. The symbol of fluorine is F. This is the halogen family member, group number 17, first member. A metal used in packaging, this is aluminium. This is very soft metal and it is used in the food packaging. The chemical compound responsible for green deposit on the surface of copper, this is the copper carbonate. Copper carbonate, chemical formula of copper carbonate is CuCO3. A metal used in flexible pipes, this is lead, symbol is Pb. A halogen which is solid at room temperature, this is iodine, its name is iodine. It also have metallic luster because this is the exceptional in all non-metal. Here are some match of the following. The element placed in extreme left in modern periodic table from the above, this is the potassium. This is the potassium because potassium is in the fourth period, first element, left side. The element which shows properties of both metals and non-metals. Those the substance which shows the properties of metals and non-metals, those are called metalloids, and here metalloid is boron. The element from the halogen family which is most abundant, this is chlorine. Chlorine is found in nature most abundantly. Next question, the element which is noble gas and radioactive in nature, which is radon. Radon gas is noble gas and this is radioactive in nature. Its symbol is Rn. The element which is noble metal, this is platinum because platinum is least reactive metal. This is the lowest part of the reactivity series. Its reactivity is very less and it is also called white gold. We are using it in jewelries and all these things. Here are some other true false, lead pencil contain lead. Beta, this is very important question for competitive exams also. This is false because graphite, this lead pencil, this is the lead pencil and this contains only graphite. This is graphite only, there is no lead. Lead is 0%. द केमिकल नेम ऑफ रस्ट इज आयरन थर्ड ऑक्साइड. अभी मैंने आपको फॉर्मूला भी बताया था Fe2O3. दैट मीन्स ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ आयरन इज 3. So this is correct. Silicon is an example of metalloid. Yes, this is also correct. Either oxygen or moisture is essential for rusting. Yes, rusting is done in the presence of moisture or air or water. Graphite is a luster non-metal which conduct electricity. This is also true because it is a non-metal but it has shining also and it can conduct good. It is good conductor of electricity due to presence of one free electron in its structure. So thank you for watching.